Hi, I'm Thomas Kinsinger, Director of Technology at Auditing Computers. Today we're talking to those who are working to achieve CMMC compliance. What we're looking at today is a product that will help achieve some of the requirements in the Control Family 3.3 Audit and Accountability. One of the challenges for many organizations who are looking to become CMMC compliant is the management of shared accounts. Generally, using shared accounts should be avoided, but particularly in manufacturing, some computers will have shared user accounts that run a program. The problem arises when multiple people use the program and the computer. And CMMC Control 3.3.2 requires that organizations be able to audit logs of access by a specific user or person for each device. For these situations, Cisco Duo with a YubiKey is a perfect solution. Each MFA key will be associated with a specific user. This will ensure that each person's access is logged. You can have multiple YubiKeys or tokens associated with one shared account using Duo. This will produce a record of each person accessing the shared account in compliance with CMMC requirements. Hope that you found this helpful. If you would like to schedule a consultation for getting started with Duo, or if you would like a quote, please visit our website at auditingcomputers.com and fill out the contact form, and somebody from our team will be in touch.